Hey guys, so I got a special delivery today. I ordered an item from Graff because I couldn't make it into the store like I usually do, but it was like a small one item. And let me show you what they did because I ordered one item from Graff, one jewelry piece from Graff. Just hold on and see what I got. Okay, so it came, oh my God. Okay, so it came in this box. Yes, this like 5-pound, maybe 8-pound box, okay? One item, mind you, one item, but you know, Graff, they just have to be extra, all right? Extra. So we're about to open this together so we can see what I got. It doesn't warrant this big box. I mean, hey, you can't argue with Graff, all right? All right. Big old styrofoam. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but all right. Oh, okay. I see what Graff did. Now this is luxury. This is what I call luxury. Like, I've had a great experience going to the Graff store, but like to have something shipped to your home. First of all, it came in a discreet box, okay? This does not say there's fine jewelry in here, guys. No, it doesn't. It was a very discreet, plain marked box. I mean, all it had was like one shipping label, which was like, you know, my address, my name. They made sure that it had to be signed by the person who purchased it, meaning they had to sign it, put it in their date of birth, and I think last four of their social. I mean, it was serious. It was serious, okay? So let me, y'all, I am not strong. I am struggling. So let me try to get this box out. Let me show you what's in here so you can see what I'm gonna try to get out. I'm just dropping stuff. Okay, so let's first mention how it comes with your receipt and white gloves. Yes, even Graff is like, if you want this, just in case you might want to return it or whatever, here's the white gloves. These are some like quality white gloves. I mean, I'm gonna keep these because I like it. I have my own white gloves, but these are nice. All right, Graff, I see you. All right, let's try to get this out of here because I don't know how to. I mean, this is one tough box. And look at that thick ribbon. Oh my gosh. Will it slide out? Will it? Okay, it's sliding out. It's sliding out. Oh, I got it. Let's throw this box to the side. All right. I got the box out. So yes, like I said, it comes with beautiful white gloves. Okay. Your receipt. All right. And then the item that you ordered. Again, I ordered one item. Now this is off of my wish list. And if you've seen my wish list, then you probably already know because I think I either have one or two items from Graff. So it's one of the two items on my wish list that's in this box. Okay, so we're about to open it up right now. Okay, I mean, should I put the gloves on first? Yeah. All right, let me be official and put on the fancy white gloves. You know I love a good white glove. Not complaining about that at all. I have on both of my white gloves, my Graff gloves. You know, you should like write Graff on them so you can know that they're your Graff gloves. Okay, well, let's be serious and let's, oh my gosh, why is this so heavy? No, but why is this so heavy? Okay, I'm going to take off this ribbon. I mean, this ribbon is just lush. This is a ribbon. This is what I call nice, luxurious. Talk about a case. I mean, what is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, now how do I open this? I feel like I'm in that Knives Out movie where they got a box and then the box was a puzzle in the box and they're like, and the box was an invitation to something else. So here we go. No, like seriously, it's a puzzle on how to open this box. Do I need to do some type of special, oh. So, okay, so there was a box, all right, the brown box that had the blue box that you also have to open. Look at this fancy, I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's like a perforatedness thing going on here, showing you where to rip the box apart. I'm gonna take off a glove just to rip this thing off. So yeah, as you can see, you have to rip this box to open it. Let me get my white glove back on and ready. Ooh. Oh, yo, did you just see that? Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me get this the right optimal angle. All right, so we took it out the brown box to get this blue box that had a ribbon on it, to open this blue box to reveal. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Okay, because I wasn't ready for this. Another box, okay? Yes, another box, all right? But look at this box, y'all. Now you can't tell me this is a luxury. Okay, Graff, I see you. I see the name printed here to let you know that you just got a Graff piece, okay? Oh, I mean, this is really like building up a climatic, cinematic, like it's just a nice buildup, right? Like, what's in the box now? Okay, how do I open this box? Is it like a turn or a tap or a press or a knock? Do I say open sesame and it comes out? Do I say Graff 10 times? Graff, there's no place like home. Oh, there it is. There is how you open the box. Oh my gosh. So I'm opening this another box. Okay, all right. Now it says here, all right, what does the Graff say to you? I don't know if y'all can see that or read it, but it says, thank you for shopping with Graff. Please visit us again at graff.com, or we would be delighted to welcome you in our boutiques. All right, this is luxurious. All right, this is I don't know what this is. Okay, it's just, oh, so it's just like if you want to put it in a gift box, if it's a gift for someone, maybe it's, you know, anniversary gift, Mother's Day gift, Father's Day, birthday, just cause I'm thinking about you gift. They give you a little bag here. Nice, thank you, Graff. I mean, I guess this is a gift. It's like, this is a gift to myself. All right, so now that we opened the box, took it out the box to open this box, to reveal a box, to see another box. All right, oh my gosh, to open it like this, that is so cute. Okay, this is really theatrical. All right, and then here is my certificate of authenticity. All right, thank you again. And I don't know what this is. Maybe to do a note card, we can open that up later. I just want to get do you see what's in this box? Do you see the tiny box in here? This is what I ordered. I got an 8-pound box for this. I'm not complaining at all. This is like extravagant. I've never had an unboxing quite like this. Okay, but yes, it was just for this beautiful jewelry box piece. Okay, let's put this one down because this is still actually heavy. Oh my gosh, talk about a presentation. I mean, it wasn't like anticlimactic or anything. It was just like, wow, the anticipation, the buildup. I think this is the time when you're supposed to put on your white gloves for the actual jewelry piece, not to open the 10 boxes we just opened to get to this box. But the white gloves are on now, so let's just go forward. I love the ribbon that they have at Graff, just how they just present everything. Like I just showed y'all, that's amazing. let's open this. And okay, it is a ring box because I love rings. Okay. It's hard to get the thing out when you have gloves on. All right, now we talk about that box. This is the last box, I promise, because the item is finally in here. Now this is like what, box 38 that we've got. Okay. Yes, that is what it is. It is the Graff ring that I've been wanting without the diamonds. It's in white gold. This is on my wish list. I know it's like, it's just a plain Graff ring, but I love this ring. I love white gold. I have it in another color, but like, this is the color I really should have went for first, just because as much as I wear white gold, I mean, I don't think I have any white gold on today. Oh, my earrings and like my bracelets are white gold, but yeah, I'm like, my necklace, no, my necklace is pink. Let me take this out. I like the little detail, so you know, like once you take this off, you know, you can't get another, like it's yours. It is yours. So let's see if it fits, because sometimes I don't like buying jewelry online because I know my size, but it really does vary from company to company. And I did get it for this hand, so let me take the other ring off. I'm gonna be devastated if it doesn't fit. Oh, thank you, Jesus. It fits. Yes, it fits. And this is the ring. This is what I got from Graff. Please don't mind my nails. I broke my nail, about to go get it done. Now, it's actually just a little bit big. I figured it might be, so I do need to go get it resized. But yeah, it's just a tad big. Like, it fits, but it's like, I just feel like you can easily get it off. Yeah. Aww. So I will have to get this resized. Out of all of that, now I had to get it resized. I had to get the right size. Probably go down. I think I got a 6.5, but something was telling me to get like a 5.5. To be honest, to get like a 51. And I was like, maybe I'll get it. I think this is a 53. Maybe I should get a 51 or a 50, but I was like, I don't know. And yeah, I should have went with you just never know. Even though I bought from Graff, I got literally a size that I have in my other rings, but no. Okay, so I gotta call Graff or go to my boutique and see if I can just get the right size. But like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Yes, got it off my wish list. Wish list score win. I do like simple pieces, not to take away from too much, especially when it has another Graff jewelry piece on it. So yeah. Okay, well, that is the end of this glorious jewelry unboxing. Make sure you like this video, that you subscribe to the channel, and then you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop a new unboxing video. And until next time, I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.